In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a zip file in Hostinger. Whether you're managing your own website or handling one for a client, knowing how to efficiently upload files is essential for smooth website operation. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access your Hostinger account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Hostinger website. Once there, head to the login page and enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you should see your dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your hosting and domain services. Next, locate the hosting plan you want to work with, as many accounts can host multiple websites. From the dashboard, find the section labeled Hosting and select the plan by either clicking on its name or a corresponding Manage button. This will bring you to the control panel for that particular hosting plan. With the control panel open, look for the File Manager icon. This is a crucial tool that allows you to manage the files on your server. Click on the File Manager to open it. Inside, you'll see the file structure of your website, often including folders such as public HTML. Before proceeding, take a quick moment to confirm that you're in the correct directory. Most of the time, you'll be navigating to the public HTML folder, especially if you're dealing with the primary website in your account. Access this folder by double-clicking on it. This directory serves as the root folder where your website files are stored and served from. Now, let's move on to uploading the zip file. Within the public HTML folder, look towards the top of the interface for an Upload button. Clicking this will prompt an Upload dialog box. Here's where you'll need to prepare your zip file. Make sure that you have your zip file ready beforehand. Click on the Select Files button within the Upload dialog and navigate to the location of your zip file on your computer, then select it. The upload process will begin, and you will see a progress bar indicating the status of your upload. Once the upload is complete, you need to extract the contents of the zip file so they can be used by your website. Highlight the uploaded zip file by clicking on it. At the top of the screen, you'll notice an Extract button. Click it, and a prompt will appear asking for the destination folder, which should default to the current directory if you're in public HTML. Confirm the extraction path and proceed by clicking the Extract button once more. Keep an eye out for any extraction success messages or prompts that indicate the completion of the process. And that's it. Your files are now successfully uploaded and extracted, ready for use. This simple yet effective method allows you to easily manage your website files directly through Hostinger's platform. Thank you for watching, and make sure to follow these steps to keep your website running smoothly.